So guys, this is welcome back to my channel. This is not. I know you guys can wait. So if you want today's video, I'm going to be talking about how much money I've. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Happiness and welcome to this amazing family. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about how much money I've made on YouTube so far. So in case you're new to this channel, please do us a favor by subscribing down below, turning on your post notification and liking this video. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. This video for some few reasons. Firstly is to let you guys know how much you can earn as a small YouTuber, because a lot of you guys have been like, Happiness, how much have you earned how much have you earned so far? Have you gotten your first YouTube paycheck? A lot of my friends are curious to know, so in today's video I'm going to be letting you guys know how much I've made so far. And the second reason is because I want to see it as a progress, so because I know definitely in the future I'm going to make more than I've earned right now. So yeah, so it's just like a reminder, something that will show me, oh, this is where you started, this is your first money, this is how you started, you know, that kind of a thing. And thirdly, to let you guys know what it takes to get monetized, and yeah, just basically to let you guys know how much you can earn on YouTube, and also to tell you a little bit of the secrets that helped me along the line, because there are some YouTube secrets that if you don't know, you won't be able to like excel even after monetization. It might take you a whole lot of time before you get monetized, before you even think of any money, or before you even earn money on YouTube. So yeah, I have gotten my requirements, which is the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, and I've been taking you guys along since day one. I got monetized on March 23rd, and I made a video to say thank you, and I told you guys all you need to know to get monetized, all you need to do before you can get monetized on YouTube. So if you have not seen that video, check the link in my description for the video. You will see the link to the video in my description, and I'll also link it somewhere up above. So yeah, before you can get monetized on YouTube, before you can even talk of earning any money, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yes. So yesterday, which is the 21st of June, that was when I got monetized. Yay! So you guys might think that once you're monetized, you start earning a lot of money. Guys, like, I'm so happy. Like, all the money I spent on data, all the money I spent on buying this microphone that I'm using here, all the money that I spent on buying this tripod stand, I've already recovered it back. And that's the best part of it. Like, just stay in front of the camera, talk, and you're earning money. You're not even doing any hard work. You're not going out every day. You're not stressing yourself. Just turn on your camera and you're filming video, and you just, like, that's the coolest way to make money, guys. That is the coolest way to make money. So if you want to find out the secrets that I use, keep watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Don't forget to like and turn on your post notifications so that you always be notified anytime I upload a video. So yeah, that's basically it. The secret that I was trying to tell you guys about is just be consistent. If you want to excel in this YouTube industry, you have to be very, very consistent with uploading. So a flashback to when I opened my channel, that was last year, June. So this is literally my 1-year anniversary too. So I'm also celebrating my 1-year anniversary, and I'm getting paid on the same day. Isn't that awesome, guys? So I started my channel last year, June, as a play. I was like, oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys that clip so that you guys will see when I started. So it's not all roses. Like, I started with my Techno phone. Like, the camera is really, really bad because I'm currently using Samsung camera. This was the phone I started with. Look at the screen, so bad. For those of you that are like, oh, I don't have a phone, I don't have this, I cannot start up my channel, trust me, you can always start up your channel. You can start somewhere. Before you know it, you get somewhere. You start from the little you have. This is what I started with, and thank God, all the money that I spent in buying microphone, getting a new phone, I've already recovered everything back. So that's the best part of it. You have to invest to gain from something. You put your money into what you are doing so that you can gain a lot of money from it. And now I'm happy. So yeah, that's it basically. I made my first video on on June. I can't remember the date, but if I remember the dates, I'm going to add it here on the screen. June, that was the first day I started my channel as a tech channel. From there I extended to other things like lifestyle, vlogs, reaction videos, and a lot more that I do on this channel. Basically, I just love making videos, and that's why I opened this channel. At first I opened it with the mindset of, oh, I love making videos, I want to explore. No, I like seeing myself talking, that kind of a thing. That was why I opened the video. I opened the channel. Then when I found out that I can actually make money on YouTube, it kind of motivated me to keep pushing. Like, I'm like, oh, that's nice. So it kind of motivated me. But if you are out there and you want to start up a channel, don't start with the mindset that, oh, you want to like start because of the money. You should put the money there, but don't have that mindset of, oh, the money, because you might get disappointed. It's not always rosy. Like I said, it took me 9 months before I got monetized. Some people, it takes them 1 day, it takes them 2 weeks. It all depends. If you're a celebrity, within 1 day you can get monetized. So if you haven't watched my video on how to get your 4,000 watch hour and how to get monetized fast on YouTube, you should check it in the description, because I'll also link it in the description and I'll link it somewhere above. So I have a video on that. So yeah, that's it basically. So just keep posting consistently. If you're already a YouTuber and you're out there, you're in less than 1,000 subscribers, you want to get your 4,000 watch hours, I've not gotten all those requirements, keep posting consistently and make sure you have the right keywords, the right title, everything you need to know. I will link, I have videos on all this stuff. So I have videos on my secrets that help me grow my channel. So you see the video in the description. So check it out to know more about monetization. What else do I want to say in this video? Yeah, keep posting, keep being you. Don't do it all just because of the money. Yeah, some people, they quit their job because of YouTube. And if you ask me if I'm going to quit my job or post my school, no, it's not yet time. I've made a lot of money on YouTube, yes, but I haven't gotten to that aspect where you have to quit. I've still not gotten to what I need. I still have to keep pushing until I get there. So for the first day I got monetized, I made as high as $10. I was like, wow, if I can make $10 in a day, that's a whole lot of money. But the thing is that if you stop posting videos, you won't earn much. The more you upload videos and the more you get views, the more money you make. There's something called RPM and CPM. So you need to know all these things before you can actually start earning money. And before you can have access to the YouTube monetization tab is only when you have gotten your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. So if you haven't gotten any of these two things, these are the two things that you need to like get first before you can even talk about monetizing your channel. So guys, yeah, drum roll please. How much have I made on YouTube so far? I have made guys, I know right now I have made enough money to buy myself an iPhone. Like, isn't that awesome, guys? Like I'm not season money. Please, for those of you that used to say, oh, season money in the building, she has made money, oh, that and that, it's not always rosy. I call myself a small YouTuber with just 2,888 subscribers, and I don't think I would have done it without you guys. I know you guys are always there supporting, watching my videos, even though you don't comment. I know you guys, some of you are always watching, you don't comment, but thank you so much, guys. So how much have I made so far? I have made $146. I know some of you will be thinking that she has made as high as thousands, $1,000, $2,000. I am not that a big of a YouTuber. I've not gotten to that level. But by God's grace, the next YouTube paycheck could be $500. If I have faith. That's if only you guys can watch my ads and all. I'll make more than that. I'll make up to that. So as a small YouTuber with over 2,000 subscribers, over 1,000 subscribers, the least you can make is $100. And before you can get paid, you need as high as $100. Anything less than $100, it won't be paid to you. It will keep on running over to the next month until you get to that point of $100. Once you have gotten there, they will pay you on every 21st of the month. So yesterday was 21st of June, and that was when I got paid. They sent me a mail. They were like, your payments have been made. And $146 is equivalent to 70,000, if I'm not mistaken, close to 70,000. Like, without stressing myself in 1 month, okay, let's say in 1.5 months, without stressing myself, I was able to make this high amount. Like, it's nice. So if you're a YouTuber, if you're someone out there, you've always wanted to start up a YouTube channel, I know, start it up, the money now can cover my feeding. It can cover, I know it won't cover all the money I need in life, but then it can cover my feeding expenses. It can cover my money for buying data. It can cover the money I use in buying some little things, basic things that I need in my life. So yeah, it can even cover my money to buy a better phone. But no, I'm not buying a phone yet, or even to get a camera, but not yet. So guys, yeah, I'm going to save the money for future. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was useful and informative. If you found it useful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your post notification. And let me know if you have any video idea for me. I'm currently at the University of Lagos. This place is called Lagoon Front. Most of you watching this video are obviously from the University of Lagos. Most of my customers are watching this video. So this is called Lagoon Front. Can you please show them the background? This is Lagoon Front. So if you want to see a vlog on any vlog about Unilag, yeah, if you want, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make the video. So, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.